I am building a real-time DevOps automation project using Kestra. So basically, Kestra is an open source workflow engine, and I recently learned it from Kestra Academy. So what I'm doing is like I'm trying to build a system. Actually, I built it. It's just a demo how I execute it in order to automatically like monitor website every 5 minutes and actually send a Slack alert if the system goes down. So here you can see that it's the alert. So first, what I tried running Kestra on my local system. You can see that, and then I later on shifted to the UI at local post at localhost port 8080. You can see the localhost. So this is where I actually define my make all the define part and run and even execute it. This is my flow. So these are all the dummies flow. This is my actual flow. In this actual flow, I give a YAML file. Okay, so this is the whole YAML file. The whole learning that I got is from their course itself. Later on, I just executed that part as a project. So first I have make a schedule trigger that runs automatically after every 5 seconds. Later on, I give some inputs like I can make this alert. So like if something is like, if some system is crashing, some API is crashing, I will send it to this mail and this Slack webhook alert, which I shown earlier. Apart from that, I made 4 HTTP tasks. Each of them is pending a website and check whether it's alive or not. So first of them is like this GitHub one. Then later on, it's this JSON placeholder. And these are like all the websites. And the fourth one is the one where I'm actually making a fake down movement so that it shows an alert on fake. There will be no alert on when the system is up, but there would be an alert when the system goes down. So this API was giving 503. That's why my alert. Yeah. You can see that this is where I just run my local, like my Python script, I just run it locally in order to fetch the details. So for the GitHub, it's giving 200 for all the 3, and for the fake alert, it's giving 503. So when the topic comes that why it is useful. So in real DevOps, you replace these URL with your actual server services like APIs and your website, the database endpoints, and you can use Kestra in order to run at every 5 minutes of it, even on 24/7 itself. And you can see that when the system breaks, so you will get a proper monitoring itself. So what I did, I just came to flow, create a flow, and paste my YAML file in it and just saved. So for that part, I'm going there. Okay, I just did this and then saved. After saved, I make an execution. So here you can paste your URL on mail ID. I already pasted it and I said, but yeah, so I'm just giving a random one. Yeah, and then it ran. And after that, you can show like it is showing all the stages, stages it is running on. So this is the grant way. You can see like this check GitHub is running, then for JSON placeholder it's running, for the fake one it's also run in success, for health part, that this is basically the Python script that I run yeah, that is also done, but it's fail and check failures part where, and then logs pay because I'm sending an alert and I give the random alert. That's why it's happening. If I really want to show you the proper execution, let me just go back. Yeah, this is the actual execution, how many times it failed, ran. This is the proper, oh, this is also the failed one because I just gave the wrong one. So these are the success one in which I just pass out this. So these are the flows that everything works fine. Alerts is even sent. Then you can see it in the form of logs as well. And then here's the whole topology. You can see that every 5 minutes they are running for all the APIs. If something that failed, the Python script is capturing it and sends an alert. If fails, it sends to log alert and then basically goes to this. That is the whole thing. Then you can see for the logs, this is I like this part, or like debug expression, where you can go to any of the API and you can use like that what it is giving. So instead of just passing out, because sometimes we used to implement logs in order to check whether our URL is going well or not, that is the whole part it's covering, and the time management is also there. Then these are the metrics data. I don't have it for now. For the logs, you can check these as well. Though you can add a Slackbook plugin as well instead of adding it as a stage. Apart from that, it has this AI feature. So instead of writing your YAML file manually or writing it from AI, you can just give a prompt to it and just give it and it will do it for you. And this is the dashboard properly. How many execution did I make? So far I just did for 1. This is the whole thing. So I use Docker image for that. It is running on my local. And this is the Python file I wrote in order to check the services status. And this is where the update on server is going, like on my locally it's running. So this is the alert that I got. Thank you so much, and do try out this tool. It's really